Today, I got to TIG weld with the Western Welding Academy, and my first pass was not so great, and I had one of the teachers step in and just help me along. He just guided me a little bit and then let me have it, and it made it 1,000 times better.
Sometimes it only takes a spark to light an interest in a student's future. At Clarksville High, students experienced a hands-on, interactive introduction to the world of welding with the Blue Collar Tour hosted by Western Welding Academy. Professional welders spent the day connecting with students and sharing their passion for a career in the trades. Through their career and technical education courses, students develop the fundamental skills to prepare for high-demand, high-wage trade careers. By networking with professionals in the industry, they discover successes not only tied to a college degree.
I really like the hands-on stuff. Like, the hands-on stuff is the most important thing to me, because I feel like if you're in one of these classes, the thing you're probably going to go for is a hands-on class, unless it's like programming and stuff like that. Aside from that, it's a lot of hands-on, like you're in it every day.